Imagine you have just gotten a mild case of the sweet tooth, so you go out to buy a chocolate. The chocolate you are buying has a very tattered packaging. Will you still buy it? If you wanted to check whether it was still safe to consume, where would you look? The back of the packaging, of course. But imagine you're like me and you don't want to go 4 floors down, so you order one that promises to come in 10 minutes. The chocolate comes in a similar packaging. And when you check the back, it was made a year ago. 8 months from manufacturing for a moisturizer, 6 months for a chocolate bar, or 5 months for a cereal pack. If a consumer is told to pick any of these from a grocery store, the most obvious answer would be a strong no. However, what if the very choices that are supposed to be the basics of a consumer rights protection are completely hidden on the biggest online retailers of the day? Shocked? But that's the reality being hidden from you. Every time you shop on e-commerce or quick commerce platforms like Blinkit, Zepto, Swiggy, Instamart, BigBasket, and Amazon, it is another aspect of the dark patterns these platforms push on us. In complete violation of the laws of the land and mandatory governance rules, all of these e-commerce platforms rarely display the basics on which an informed consumer is supposed to make their choice, even in sensitive cases like food and cosmetics. What makes it more shocking is that for at least the past 2 years, government regulators like the Central Consumer Protection Authority or CCPA and the Food Safety and Standards Authority of India or FSSAI have been issuing diktats for the mandatory display of crucial information such as expiry dates. Times Now Digital got in touch with these leading quick e-commerce platforms to understand their version of the issue. Blinkit and Amazon sought a 48-hour deadline for responding to the queries. And even after an extension of another 48 hours, these players did not give any response on the matter. Other players like Zepto, Swiggy, Flipkart Minutes, and BigBasket did not respond to the first questionnaire email sent to them. This clearly raises suspicion that either these e-commerce giants have something to hide or they do not care at all about the health concerns of the customers. Stay tuned as we break down what India's Consumer Protection Authority has told these e-commerce platforms and what does the law of the land actually says on the issue. Keep watching this space for a detailed update on the legal position and the implications of the authority's action. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Anushka Singh, signing off from Times Now Digital.